Hello everyone, my name is Lolita Starchenko and today I want to show you my assignment in Tableau for the course CGS2100. And this assignment was about Biz Cafe, and there we practice how to run our own business. And my cafe was named Your Coffee, and there is 3 graphs where we can see competitor sales, net income versus revenue, this line graph, and the last one is bar chart for revenue versus cups sold. So there we can see all necessary information, and let's start with net income versus revenue. So the first line is for revenue, and we can see that it was increasing, and at week 13 it had the highest amount, and there was 48,628, and the net income for my business is negative, which means that we had a loss, and it is minus 32,670. So, and the next graph, we can see the information about our revenue and about the amount of cups that we sold, and there we can see that it was increasing during the time, and the best results were on week 12, where we sold 2,272 cups, and after this week there was the only decreasing to 1,841. And the competitor sales, there is information about my cafe, which is Your Coffee, and 4 other competitors, and there we can see their result during those weeks, and result for my business wasn't so good. So it was increasing during the time, but at the same time the amount was low, so we had revenue of 48,000, and for example, Bean & Co., which had the best result, their revenue was to 249,802, which means that my business wasn't really good and I needed to understand my mistakes that I've done, and I think there was a lot of unnecessary things that I bought in the beginning. So, for example, I spent too much money on cups and not enough money sometimes for coffee, but it was very useful project that taught me a lot of new information, and it was a great experience. So yeah, thank you so much for your attention.